Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Pastrana. Welcome to the Middle School and High School STEM Design in Pitch event at Lighthouse International School. Today, we're excited to celebrate 2 months of dedication and hard work by our students who have applied their STEM skills to a real-world challenges. This year, we're thrilled to adopt a design and pitch format inspired by Shark Tank, where students will showcase their creative solutions to a panel of judges. This event aims to foster problem-solving, creativity, and technical expertise while highlighting the impact of STEM in shaping the future. We are incredibly grateful for the support of our school community that has made this event possible.
Hello Sharks! Today we're going to tell you why you need to invest in our product, the Flushmaster. I'm Lucian.
I'm Jose.
I'm Elon.
And I'm Jenny, and I'm going to tell you our problem. So our problem is that nobody flushes the toilet anymore, and it's disgusting!
So our solution is to make a toilet that always flushes. So how it works is when you go sit down, there's a foot sensor here that will be located on the floor there. And when you get out and you leave for the door, when you open the door, it sends another signal to the toilet and those two signals create a reaction that flushes the toilet. And when you open the door and close it, which is 100% certain because we have an automatic door closer that would be located around here, closes the door, a metal sheet will go over the sensor that's over here in case a cat or dog stumbles in and it doesn't waste water by flushing.
So the problem is that 20% of our world population cannot get easy access to water due to low pressure or no pressure at all. 20% of our population is 1.2 billion people, but 30% of our population get 30% natural water sources next to them. So that's where we bring Aquareach.
So this is our pump. We target places that have little to no water pressure in their houses at all, but have natural water sources nearby. Our pump is pretty self-explanatory. We locate them near the water source. They take in water from the water source, and with our gas-powered pump, because our pump is gas-powered, it doesn't require electricity, it will pump out the water at a much higher pressure, allowing people to receive water at their homes. Our pump also contains a valve that will control the amount of gas combustion that the pump needs, because places might need more or less power in order to get a appropriate water pressure.
Today's event is the culmination of 2 months of hard work, creativity, and collaboration. During this time, students worked in groups to identify real-world problems that could benefit from STEM-based solutions. They dug deep into these challenges, analyzing them from every angle and thinking critically about the limitations, constraints, and potential impacts of their designs. Through this process, students enhance their technical skills, researching scientific principles, developing prototypes, and testing their solutions. They meticulously documented their design journey from initial brainstorming to final testing, constantly refining their ideas and considering the long-term viability and sustainability of their projects. An important part of the project was helping students develop key professional skills, like communication and collaboration. Each group has crafted a polished pitch designed to clearly and persuasively present their solutions. They work together to manage their time, allocate resources, and adapt to feedback, skills that are not only essential in the classroom but also in the workplace. The ultimate goal of this event has been to challenge students to critically think about how their designs can be applied in the real world. They've considered market needs, the benefits of their solutions to end users and the practical steps involved in turning their ideas into reality.
Alongside these presentations, our middle and high school students are participating in hands-on workshops hosted by Tecnikids, an organization we're excited to partner with next semester. These workshops provide students with an opportunity to dive deeper into the STEM fields, applying their knowledge to solve real-world problems while fostering teamwork and critical thinking. This year's workshop challenge focuses on habitat fragmentation, an environmental issue where human development, such as roads, disrupts animal habitats. Students are tasked with developing solutions to help animals like crabs and sloths safely cross roads, ensuring their natural movement isn't hindered. As part of the challenge, students will design and build overpasses, create motorized vehicles to cross them, and program photon robots to navigate a course using sensors and code. Through these hands-on experiences, students will test their skills in engineering, ecology, and programming while tackling a real-world environmental issue. This workshop is an exciting opportunity for our students to engage in practical, creative problem-solving and deepen their understanding of the world around them. We're thrilled to see how they apply their knowledge and work together to make a difference.